welcome back to Calyx Apothecary. I've got a quick tip for you today. It's just an essential oil fun fact, if you will, for those of you who wear nail polish. I do occasionally on my fingernails, definitely on my toes. And you want an alternative to what you buy in the store, the drugstore, for nail polish remover. This can be very dehydrating to your nail beds. It's very strong, nail beds, very strong. But you can, if you have a jar of lemongrass oil in your house, this works brilliantly, so check it out. So there you have it, lemongrass oil, super easy swap to use as an alternative to the harsher store-bought nail polish remover. Thanks so much for watching. If you want me to talk about a specific essential oil, drop that in the comments and I'll do my best to accommodate that. And thanks for listening. See you next time.